How to fix TikTok username on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok username on Android phone. Just open TikTok and then go to your profile and now just click edit, and here you will find your username. If you can change it, just type here any username you want and then click save. And if your username does not change it, just go back and go to settings and then go to apps and apps again and go to TikTok and go to storage. Now just clear cache and go back again and your username will be changed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.